Let's talk about how to set up your Google Analytics for your YouTube page. Go to googleanalytics.com/analytics. Click on Sign In Analytics. Click on Admin. Click Create New Account. Enter a name. I'll enter YouTube channel. Click Next. Enter a name. Enter your YouTube URL by going to your channel. Click on View My Channel to get your URL. You'll get an error message because you have to take out the HTTP from the URL and remove the subscriber at the end of the URL. Once you do that, you can click Save. Agree to the terms. Now copy your tracking ID starting with the UA. Now go to your YouTube channel by going to youtube.com/advanced_settings. Paste the tracking ID under Google Analytics property tracking ID. And that's pretty much it. Now just give it a few days to populate, and then you'll be able to check out your Google Analytics for your YouTube page. All right, guys, let me know in the comments if this was helpful. And if you like these tutorials, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on my next videos.